This short video explores the essential requirements of life, the defining characteristics of life, and the remarkable process of homeostasis. All living things, from the simplest bacteria to the most complex animals, share certain basic needs for survival and growth. These essential requirements are the foundation for life and allow organisms to function, reproduce, and adapt to their environment. Here are the 5 essential requirements for life. Water makes up most of an organism's body and is essential for various chemical reactions. Food provides energy for vital functions and serves as building blocks for body structures. Oxygen for cellular respiration. Heat to maintain body temperature. Pressure needed for breathing and blood circulation. Living things share a remarkable set of characteristics that distinguish them from non-living matter. Let's delve into 5 key characteristics of living things. 1. Growth and development. Organisms increase in size and complexity through the production of new cells. 2. Reproduction. Living things can create new individuals. This ensures the continuation of the species. 3. Responsiveness. Organisms can detect and respond to stimuli. This allows them to maintain a relatively stable internal environment. 4. Movement, change in the position of the whole body or body parts, or motion of internal organs. 5. Metabolism. This refers to the complex set of chemical reactions that occur within an organism's cells. These reactions break down nutrients for energy, build and repair tissues, and eliminate waste products. Next, let's discuss an absolutely crucial concept for life, which is homeostasis. The cells in our body require specific temperature, blood pressure, pH, and nutrient levels to operate efficiently. Fluctuations outside this range could disrupt chemical reactions, hinder enzyme activity, and ultimately prevent cells from functioning properly. Homeostasis is our body's ability to maintain relatively stable internal conditions, even when the external environment fluctuates. Think of it like a thermostat that keeps your room at a comfortable temperature. How does homeostasis work? Our bodies rely on a system of checks and balances to maintain homeostasis. This system involves a feedback loop mechanism. A feedback loop functions using the following components. Sensor. Special structures called receptors act like sensors and constantly monitor and detect changes in internal conditions. Control center. The control center receives the signal from the receptors and interprets it. Effectors. The control center triggers effectors such as organs or glands to take action. There are 2 feedback mechanisms, negative feedback and positive feedback. Negative feedback acts in the opposite direction of the initial change. Hence, it's called negative. For example, if the initial change is a drop in blood pressure, the negative feedback will increase blood pressure to bring it back to normal. In other words, negative feedback maintains homeostasis. On the other hand, positive feedback pushes conditions away from the set point. However, positive feedback is not always bad. For example, during childbirth, positive feedback loops involving hormones accelerate contractions, ultimately leading to delivery.